my name is Zarai.
And we are the co-lead interns for the People of Color Sustainability Collective. The People of Color Sustainability Collective's main goal is to make UCSC a leader in sustainability and environmental justice, and to highlight the contributions of people of color to the environmental movement, both off and on campus.
Our goals through this collective is to learn more and share knowledge with the community and let the spaces that we cultivate both inspire me and hopefully inspire the people that we gather. This past Sunday was Connect to Your Roots BIPOC Herbalism. The purpose of it was to connect BIPOC students with traditional ways of interacting with herbs and getting familiar with the community herb garden here on campus. It included plant propagation, salve making, and a native plant bundling workshop.
Retention for POC on campus is really truly grounded in the resource centers and what they do on campus.
The way we as a collective are able to collaborate with other organizations on campus can really bring a lot of diverse and important perspectives together. But through these events and spaces, we're able to forge those connections, particularly to bridge the gap between marginalized communities and outdoor recreation.
You don't need to have any prior knowledge about environmentalism, environmental justice, sustainability to come to any of our events. There's something here for everyone.